Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to let you all know what is going on today before my client gets here. Essentially, I'm just going to be filing like down the product on her nails. And it's basically going to be like an update or like the second part of the video to the e-file review. And I'm going to be using my Kiara Sky, the Typhoon Bit. And I have used this before. I used this on myself and I actually really liked it, but I didn't get a video of it. But I am going to show you all how it works today. So that way you all can kind of get like a really good idea of just how well it takes down the product. And honestly, I really can tell a huge difference with this bit and the drill versus with my Melody Susie, because with my Melody Susie, the vibration was really, really strong. And so with this, it's not. And so I like that. But yeah, so my client is coming in just a few. But yeah, my client is coming in just a few. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get ready for her real quick. So I'm just going to put this bit in here. And I don't know if I showed this in the last video, but to put the bit in, you see how it's kind of like set in there? I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Yeah. So it's kind of like that. I like the fact that you can take the bit and then you just put it right down there. And that'll keep dust from getting all in your bit while you're using, not your bit, but into your e-file while you're using the bit. And so that's what I'll be doing today, is just taking down the product. And then I will have it on the little stand here. I'm going to close this and put this away right quick. But that really is it. That's all I'm going to be doing. So you all will see that. And yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, real quick, everyone. Over here, you see where she has her finger soaking. She actually broke her nail. She was moving, like packing her stuff up because she's actually heading off to college. So that is why today I'm doing a soak off for her. And she's also trying out for her cheer team. So she's not able to have nails on anymore. But we're going to do a quick soak off. And I didn't show like the final steps of me like soaking the nails off and like how I prepped them after that, just because I already have a soak off video on my channel. So I will leave it up in the info card so that you can go check that out. But essentially all I'm doing here is just taking the clippers, clipping the sides of the tip so that I can trim the nail down. You can do this with your e-file, and looking back on it, I probably should have to really put the Typhoon Bit and the e-file to the test, but I didn't think about doing that because I didn't do that with my Melody Susie drill, just because I know like the vibration would bother me. But I definitely, next time I do one of these, I will check that out or test it out. So real quick, what you see me doing here is I'm just going to go over the nail with the Typhoon Bit. And I did try to zoom in because I realized my hand was in the way when it was like kind of far out. It's just really so I could see what I was doing, but I do apologize about that. And I know the view does get a little bit better later on through the video, so yeah. And then a few things to note when I'm using this. I noticed with my Melody Susie drill, the handpiece would kind of heat up, like when I got like maybe till the second or third nail, and the handpiece would feel really hot in my hand, and there'd be a lot of vibration going on to the point where holding the client's finger, I could feel I could feel like the vibration, like underneath, like if I was touching the pad of their finger, I could feel the vibration. And it kind of made it hard to file down product because I knew if I was feeling that much vibration, that meant like if I definitely stayed in one place for like maybe a second too long, they were for sure gonna feel some like heat on their nail. I was gonna burn their nail. So yeah, like again, I'm not saying that the Melody Susie drill was terrible. It was a lot better than my first drill that I had. But if you do have the money, I would definitely say buy this drill. And then aside from that, so I really like the fact that this really is low vibration because that is one of the claims that it has. And then aside from that, I also liked how it's very quiet. Like you can barely hear this drill at all. Like I had this up on 20 and I really could not even hear the drill making noise. Like it's so quiet. It's like uber quiet. Like I wish I may like unmute a part of this video and like let you guys hear it, but it's such a quiet drill. Like it makes no noise at all. The only reason why I don't have the like sound on is because we were talking about stuff. So I kind of give my clients, let them know, like, you know, hey, you have confidentiality, like I'm not going to be saying a whole bunch of stuff or anything like that, so they can kind of feel like they're open to be able to tell me stuff even though when I record. So yeah. And what else did I like about this drill? I definitely like this bit because this bit like really cuts through the product fast. Like it does what it says it's going to do. Like, so yeah, that was definitely really nice. So I was very happy about that. And for the most part, this video really pretty much is in real time. I only sped it up by like 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. It's really not like sped up. So that, honestly, that it took me less time to do this than it did with my other bit, my other drill. So I do like that because I would spend a lot of time just because like my drill, although it went up to 30,000 RPMs, it did not pack like that much of, I don't know, I don't think maybe it was a torque that wasn't there. It just wasn't there, and there was enough power behind the drill. I mean, it was a lot better than my first one, but this one I can tell a major difference. Like they say, when you buy an expensive drill, like a high quality drill, you'll be able to tell the difference between the drills you get off Amazon and this one. So honestly, I'm here to tell you, do not let anybody tell you different. There's definitely a huge difference between a $50 drill or a $57 drill and a $375 drill. Like, if again, I'm telling you, if you really can afford it, I will go ahead and buy this drill. Like I really do love it. I can't stress that enough. Like, and I'm not being sponsored, so I don't have to tell you like I love the drill. Like if I didn't like it and it was trash, I would tell you and I would probably send the drill back. And I probably would have went with the Valentino one. But I didn't even, I think I did say this in my unboxing video, that I was kind of torn between this one and the Valentino, but I gave you my reasons for why I went with this one. But yeah, so I really do love this drill. Like I genuinely, it's just a great drill, you guys. Like I know I keep saying that, but it really is a really great drill, and I hope that you all will give this a try and check it out. And you will see it in future videos, and I will be sure to continue to give you like little updates here and there, because you know, like even though you can have a drill and it works really great at first, as wear and tear comes along, you kind of want to see how it's still doing and things like that. So I will kind of let you know a little more after that as well. And I do like the fact that the display is an LCD display, because I didn't like, is it LCD or I think it's called LCD. I wouldn't call it an LED display, like I don't know. Anyway, but it is a digital display. Let me just say digital, and it makes it easier to like be able to tell you guys what speed I'm using it on, as opposed to the ones that don't have like a digital display. And that's one thing that really stopped me from buying the Coupa, the Mani Pro Passport drill, is that it does not have a digital display. And my thing is, because those go for more than what this e-file here went for, and so it's like for those to be well over like $400 something, you would think that it would come with a digital display. Like, but I'm not gonna say, like a lot of people say like they've dropped their handpiece a million of times with the Coupa and it still works. Like they spill stuff all over like acetone and it doesn't mess it up. So I guess that's good. You're paying for the peace of mind as well, but I think they could have at least put a digital display on that one. So yeah, especially since one like Valentino and this one is going for like $375. I think they definitely could have did that at least. But yeah, but again, I'm happy with what I have. I feel like it's like high tech, and then I also like that all my things are white and silver. Like my Valentino, the dust collector is white and silver, the e-file is white and silver, and my new lamp is white and silver. Like I'm one of those people who really like to have stuff like a certain way, and it all does fit my new color scheme, like, you know, purple, white, silver, and black. So, and also gray, so I really like that. Also, I will be doing a video soon where I'm going to be basically shopping for furniture for my new nail room. So I probably will like do a video on that, and like, or no, what I'll do is I'm going to do it like as a poll on my Instagram. And so if you want to be a part of that, I'm going to have you do that over there. So definitely follow me on my Instagram. Like, y'all, I post a lot on my Instagram, at least on my story. Maybe not so much on like my timeline, but I post on my story, and I do give updates over there about videos. So definitely follow me over there. And yeah, so now I'm just dusting off her nails with my manicure brushes. I told you guys I was going to start using this over my dust brush. Although I love that brush so much and it's super pretty, I just can't use it, you guys. So it's really sad, but you know, it's alright. You just gotta do what you gotta do. So that's all I'm doing here. So that was like so disrespectful. It's like a flash flood warning where I'm at because of the hurricane that is basically hitting North Carolina right now. But anyway, so the National Weather Service kind of cut me off. But yeah, that's all I was doing there. And I'm just going to put on the soak off clips you'll see in just a few minutes, where I put those on her nails and then I let them soak off. But that's all you all will really see for this video, and that really pretty much is about it. So I hope you enjoyed, and let me know down below if like seeing this helped at all and making your decision about whether or not you want to buy the drill. Let me know if you need to see like another updated video of me using it for other purposes. And I think what I will do as well is when I use it next time and I do file down my product, I will let you all hear the sound and like really just get like really up close and personal with it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys another idea, because I know it's kind of hard to determine just based upon an unboxing video if a drill is going to be good or not. You kind of want to see it in action, and so that's what I try to do with all the products, like I did with the Valentino, the dust collector. So yeah. So with all that being said, again, I think I said it like 50 million times, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Again, let me know you're going to try it out, or just with any questions that you may have. I always try to answer the comments. If I don't answer them right away, sometimes YouTube does not notify me that I have a new comment, so I do try to check throughout the day. But yeah, so yeah. And also be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, y'all, I will see you in the next one. Alright, bye.